Hello, my name is Katasha Crenshaw, and today I will be presenting you my outcomes and competency in human and social services. As you can see, these are my portfolio projects that I have completed and submitted into my ePortfolio. Each of these portfolio projects were done, and each one of them have a different outcome. As you can see, this is the outcome of demonstrating understanding of patient, client, customer service needs within the continuum of human and social service environments. In my course of abnormal psychology, I was able to submit my portfolio project, which it was dealing with disorders, behavioral disorders, such as ADHD, bipolar disorder, post-traumatic disorder, which is PTSD. And the reason why this portfolio project was submitted under this outcome is because I am able to demonstrate that I have an understanding of these different types of disorders. I also had to submit a portfolio project in ethics in human and social services, which allowed me to be able to show my understanding and demonstrate about case management. Different cases such as a family dealing with the decision, with having to make a decision for a loved one, and every family member may not be understanding of one's decision, but the main thing is making sure that what each family member's decision is to be sure that they are making the best decision for their sick loved one. Under this demonstrate an understanding of patient, client, customer service needs within the continuum of human and social service outcome, I have 17 outcomes in this portfolio. I also am able to demonstrate ethical and legal communication techniques specific to the human and social service environments. I've had to submit one again in ethics in human and social services. I've had to transfer the knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experience to this situation. In my Career and Development 2 Theory and Practice course, my CPRA, which is my Career Preparation Research Assessment, Ethics Assignment, class meets the thinking abilities, institutional outcome, and my program-specific ethics outcome. For this assignment, I had to conduct my research on ethics specific to my field of study, create an ethical situation for the workplace, choose a solution, and back up my solution with scholarly research. This shows my ability to apply ethics research to my career field and problem-solve solutions based on that research. I have also included a reflection essay to self-assess my strategies and outcomes on this assignment and consider improvements for similar assignments or work in the future. The workplace capabilities I used in completing this assignment were perseverance and problem solving. This assignment connects to my future career because I as a case manager, will be having to utilize problem solving strategies and continue to persevere if and when things get tough. In this class, I've had the pleasure of updating, revising, and making my cover letter and resume more professional. These assignments meet this outcome because they exhibit the skills, knowledge, and courses that I've gained through my classes and previous work experience. These items highlight my workplace capabilities of customer service and dependability, and will be used to market myself to potential employers and gain my job as a case manager. These documents show a potential employer what assets I can offer to their company. I am able to employ strategies for reflection on learning and practice in order to adjust learning processes for continual improvement. I've had several portfolio projects, and I've had to submit to this outcome as well. My workplace mathematics portfolio project meets the outcome in my course to apply quantitative and scientific reasoning so that we are able to follow established methods of inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. The skills that were used and I gained were learning to input data correctly into different styles of charts and graphs. These skills are important to my prospective field of study because they are needed to keep track of data and of different things such as account ledgers, transportation, and hours spent with the client in the case. In my career development, one class was theory and practice seminar. This class met this outcome because this action plan helps me build a plan for success and take small steps to improve my weaknesses. I've also had the pleasure to submit a portfolio project which allows me to participate in social, academic, and professional communities for individual growth and to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. In my course of Principles of Sociology and Crisis Intervention, and also my career development too, as well.